Welcome to my channel DS Education. Do you feel like your English is not improving even after trying again and again? Many people face this problem and start losing confidence. Improving your English is not difficult. If you build a small daily habits, you don't need expensive courses or long study hours. Small and consistent practice can change your English completely. Start your day by thinking in English instead of translating from your language. Use simple sentences in your mind while doing daily activities. Learn a few new words every day and repeat them any times. Try to use these words in your daily conversation. Speaking to yourself in English helps you gain confidence. Don't feel shy or afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning any language. Listening to English daily improve your pronunciation and understanding. Watch short English videos, movies or news regularly. Reading English alerts help you speak more fluently. Choose essay, articles or short stories to read every day. Try to speak English with friends or family whenever possible. Use English in real life situations like shopping or phone calls. Write a few English sentences daily in a notebook. Writing improves your sentence structure and vocabulary. Confidence grows with regular practice. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Enjoy the process and stay motivated. With daily effort, your English will be surely improve. Never give up because success comes with patience. Many people face this problem and start losing confidence. The truth is that English does not improve overnight. It improves with small daily habits and consistent practice. Fear is the biggest enemy of speaking English. Most people don't fear English itself. They fear making mistakes and being judged by others. Remember, mistakes are the part of learning. Every fluent English speaker you see today once made thousands of mistakes. Accepting mistake is the first step to confidence. You don't need to study for many hours every day. You only need the right direction and regular effort. Start by thinking in English during your daily routine. Use simple sentences while walking, working, and relaxing. Learn a few useful English words every day and repeat them. Try to use these words in real conversation. Speaking to yourself in English is a powerful habit. It helps you speak without fear or hesitation. Do not be afraid of making mistakes while speaking. Every mistake is a step toward improvement. Listening to English daily is very important. Listen to podcasts or songs. Reading English aloud improves your fluency and confidence. Record your voice and listen to it carefully. This helps you identify your weak areas. Practice speaking English for at least 10 minutes daily. Consistency matters more than perfection. Don't wait for a perfect time to start. Start today, start now, and stay committed. English learning is a journey, not a competition. Compare yourself only with your past self. Slow progress is still progress. Believe in yourself and trust the process. With patience and daily practice, your English will be improved. Confidence will grow with every passing day. Never give up on your English learning journey. Stop comparing yourself with others. Everyone learns at the different speed. Some people start here early, some had better opportunities, but your journey is yours. Focus on improvement, not comparison. One small step every day is better than no step at all. Practice in a safe space first. Speak English in front of a mirror. Record your voice and talk to yourself about daily activities. This builds confidence without pressure. When your brain gets used to hearing your own English voice, fear automatically starts to disappear. To overcome fear, you must start speaking, even if your English is not perfect. Wait to become perfect will only delay your progress. Speak slowly, use simple words, and focus on expressing your ideas, not grammar. Communication is more important than correctness.